Welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we will discuss about the English paper presentation how you need to attempt your English, and especially for the students who want to score O grade or full marks in this subject, especially in the languages subject. This video will be helpful to you all. Okay, so because in languages you can easily score full marks, and full grade also you can easily score. How you are presenting your answers, how you are presenting your question paper in your booklet, that is very much important. Okay, so as you are fifth semester student, for you it will be easy to understand, because from last 2 years you are going on writing the examinations, so you know the basic tips how you need to look into in that. Okay, so what I need to tell you in this video is, so first in part A you will have the bits, no grammar topics you will have. So they will give 6 bits and they will ask you to do any 4 bits. So some of the students, what they will do means only 4 they are asking, means only 4 only they will trying to attempt it. Okay, so but in part A, out of 6 bits you attempt each and every bit, because in one bit if you are getting less marks means the another bit you can carry more marks. The whatever the section question you are carrying more marks, that is only will be your final examination part. So that's why in part A, attempt every question, every bit, so that you can able to score 20 marks. Okay, in part B, each question consists of 15 marks. No, for 15 marks minimum 4 sides of the answer is very much important. Some of the students will write only 1 page or 1.5 page only, but for that much answer you won't score 15 marks, as it is carrying 15 marks each summary, minimum 4 papers. Okay, but and one more thing, handwriting is also important in English examination. Okay, how much your writing is not important, how neatly you are presenting is important to score O grade. Okay, for scoring O grade I am saying, okay, anybody can pass English without preparation also. You should have some basic knowledge about the summaries, and each question, each answer you should not learn. Only in unit you will have poem and prose, like that you will have, no, out of two in each unit, whatever the 2 things you are having, like poem, prose, if you are having, means prepare any one. Okay, you know the paper pattern, I have already done a video regarding it. Throughout that paper pattern present your answers. Okay, whatever it might be the question from the lesson, the answer should be only the summary. In summary also, about the author you need to keep first, and later on you need to go into the summary, and then you need to conclude, means side headings also you need to portray. Okay, follow these tips and tricks, it will be helpful for you to score good marks. I hope this video will be useful to you all. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, and share with all your friends and groups. I have already explained the summaries and question paper pattern, in which question what it will come. Just check out in our channel. All the very best for your first examination. See you all next video. Bye bye, and thank you so much.